Everyone has a voice. At the end of the day, what the patients are going to remember is how you care for them. That's the same principle we apply every day. It's making the staff happy, it's making the patients happy.
Ryan's leadership style is focused on knowing how to drive people, and he takes that from a certain inner role model.
My father used to manage a big supermarket. I asked him, how are you able to have all those people follow you? And he told me, grab some rice. And I did. And then he told me, open your hand. And I said, all those rice grains are falling off my hand. He told me, you don't have to be too strict, or you don't have to be too loose. You just gotta hold them just right. I became a leader because my father inspires me. And that's the same thing what I want to do with my kids. I want to inspire them.
He has a vision and a commitment and a sense of honor and respect. He had those inherent qualities that make him such a great leader.
We provide treatments to a lot of dialysis patients around the community. We make sure that we give the best 4 hours of each day.
To live with dialysis is tough physically, it's tough mentally, and it's tough emotionally. Ryan knows that. He uses all of his experiences to be focused on that human element and mobilize everybody, educate everybody towards achieving that goal of taking care of patients.
You don't just have a machine cleaning your blood 3 to 4 days a week. You have people along with the machine cleaning your blood, so you feel like you have someone walking with you.
I sat down with the staff one by one. I also met with some of the patients. And we tried to see what we could do to improve. And some of them have come up with their own ideas. They're the first line of our patient care. So, you value their input, try to see what you could do to make the lives better for the patients, and you go for it.
The arrival of Ryan to this institution hasn't just created a visible change, it established a palpable change. The employees had a little more bounce in their step.
We do a daily huddle. We do that to make sure that nothing gets missed. And you can see how happy the staff are.
He's always thinking about new ways to improve. It's another facet of how Ryan likes to bring everybody together. So he invites everyone to his house, everybody participates. It's one big family at the end of the day.
Whenever you have the staff engaged, it's easier for you to implement projects.
He has been a beacon because he has helped guide the patients, the staff, us as senior leadership of the facility, and that truly is, I think, the signs of a wonderful leader.
Having that group of people with me and making sure we're lined up, we're on the same page with everything that we do, that makes us very special.